What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing and first look. Today we're going to take a look at this brand new motherboard. This is the Z490 AORUS Pro AX, and this has just been recently announced, so there's a lot of cool technologies and features on here. In this video I want to take this thing out of the box, give you guys a first look, as well as talk about who should consider picking up this motherboard for the new gaming PC. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. As always, let's start off by taking a look at the outside of the box. For longtime AORUS fans, this box design is going to be very familiar to you guys. On the back, you're going to see all the major features that this product includes. But that's enough about talking about the box. I think you guys are more interested in what comes inside the box. This is what the motherboard looks like. Let's take it out of the anti-static bag. Ooh, check that out. That looks like a very high-end motherboard. But we're going to set this aside just for a bit, as we're going to finish the rest of the unboxing experience before we return to that. So inside the box, you're going to get your AORUS sticker. Can't forget about that. Multi-installation guide. You're going to get your hard to get user's manual, as well as CD. And then you are also going to be getting a bunch of extra cables, SATA cables, extension cables. You're going to get a Wi-Fi antenna. We're going to talk about why you need this in just a little bit. And you're going to get a front panel connector called a G connector. So those are accessories that you're going to be getting. Let's push this off over to the side. All right, so you guys are here to take a look at this motherboard. This is what the Z490 AORUS Pro AX looks like. Let's talk about some of the biggest features that we've implemented onto this platform, and then let's talk about who might want to consider picking up this for the new gaming PC. So the biggest features. Starting off, let's talk about the power delivery system. This features a direct 12-phase power delivery system, which is designed to deliver smooth and stable power to the Intel 10th generation CPUs. This is really good because that means this is going to be able to maximize the performance of Intel's new CPUs while still remaining stable. Another cool feature that we've implemented onto this platform is the improved cooling solution. So this motherboard features the fins array heatsink over here, and also has a direct touch heat pipe, which you can see underneath, which directly connects the heat sinks together to better optimize heat transfer. Also, if you take a look at the bottom half of the motherboard, you're going to see very large M.2 thermal guards, which helps to remove heat from your fast SSDs, which means your SSDs can run at peak performance for even longer. This motherboard also supports AORUS RGB Fusion, which means that you're going to get integrated RGB on here, but you also get the capability of adding additional RGB strips using the RGB pin headers that we provided on this motherboard. Let's move over to the back and we'll talk about rear I/O. This motherboard has an integrated I/O shield, and there's some cool stuff on here. You get your usual array of USB-A and USB-C, but on this motherboard you're also going to see the addition of Wi-Fi 6. As the name implies, this motherboard supports 802.11ax Wi-Fi, so that means much faster wireless transfer speeds compared to previous generations. So if you're a gamer, that means you're going to experience less lag in your gameplay. And if you're looking to do general browsing, this is going to allow you to download and upload files much quicker than you could before. To get the most performance out of this wireless connectivity, you're definitely going to want to take advantage of the included Wi-Fi 6 antenna that we include inside the box. This helps you to get the best wireless signal, to get the best wireless performance out of this platform. So going back to the front of the board, I kind of want to talk a little bit about the design of this product. This features the same design language as our higher-end AORUS Z490 motherboards. So that means even though this is a more price-friendly option, you're still going to get that high-end design and the premium look that comes with all AORUS motherboards. I think this represents a great option for those of you who are looking for the best price-to-performance ratio, because this has a lot of the high-end features of our other AORUS motherboards, but this still maintains a great and friendly price. The other higher-end AORUS motherboards are really great for those of you who are looking to overclock, but if you aren't interested in overclocking and are looking for great out-of-the-box performance, I definitely suggest that you guys take a look at this, because this has all the performance, features that you would ever need from a gaming motherboard. If you guys want to find out more information about this motherboard, you can go ahead and visit us on our website. And for the latest news and updates on everything about Aorus, you can go ahead and follow us on social media. My name is Van from Aorus, and we'll see you guys next time.